Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier with a 6L water tank capacity is an impressive appliance that effectively tackles humidity issues in various settings, including homes, basements, and offices. Its sleek design makes it a suitable addition to any environment while maintaining functionality. The unit's 6L tank provides ample capacity, allowing it to continuously extract moisture without the constant need for emptying. This is particularly beneficial for larger spaces or areas prone to dampness. The automatic shutoff feature activates when the tank becomes full, preventing overflow and ensuring peace of mind while running the device unattended. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its child lock function. This safety measure is particularly appealing for families, as it prevents children from tampering with the settings. The controls are user-friendly, featuring a straightforward digital display that allows users to easily adjust humidity levels according to their preferences. The built-in timer is another convenient feature, letting users schedule operation times to optimize energy consumption. Performance-wise, this dehumidifier excels in reducing humidity levels quickly and efficiently. It operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms or workspaces where noise can be a distraction. The unit also provides a continuous drainage option, which is great for long-term use, especially in basements where moisture levels can be persistently high. Moreover, the energy-efficient design helps reduce electricity costs, an important consideration for eco-conscious consumers. The compact size ensures it doesn't take up too much floor space, making it ideal for even the smallest rooms. Overall, this dehumidifier is a reliable and efficient solution for managing indoor humidity. Its combination of safety features, user-friendly controls, and effective moisture removal makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve air quality and comfort in their home or workspace. Whether you're battling musty odors or simply want a more comfortable living environment, this dehumidifier is a worthy investment.